Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, need to clean her up because we're going to a car meet. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with the build. With that being said, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so on Sunday I'm going to Heartbreak Hangs. There are a bunch of guys that I actually work with that organise it. So I need to get her cleaned up, and she is pretty damn messy. So it's Thursday night. Might be able to see I've still got gauge pot over there. And tomorrow, Friday, I'm going to pull this A-pillar off and put the stock one back on, the grey one. And probably over the weekend. So either Friday night or during the day on Saturday, I'll reroute the boost gauges to the center, and I might run that gauge pod plug. Actually no, I can't because it's sealed. But yeah, she is dirty, very dirty from all the sanding that I've been doing as well, and just it's been windy, so all the leaves are coming in through the capping at the top here. That's why you always see it down the middle of my car normally. Yeah, pretty keen. Haven't been to a car meet for a very long time. So when I'm at work, I'll probably buff the bonnet to get as much out as possible. Here we've got some dents, so I'm not really going to worry about that. Got some different scratches and whatnot up here, but I was thinking of changing these over to the red ones, but they're all dodgy, so I might just do that as well. One of the guys is running some odd matched guards as well, who is part of Team Heartbreak, so probably park next to him and make it a trend. I don't know. I don't know. Would that attract people? Most likely not. Maybe they'll say big turbo there. There might be some of you guys there. I don't know. So if you know, there's another turbo down there. But shh, don't tell anyone. Can't believe how that looks. So cool. Could run it like that. No, I can't. There's no holes for the wires. Stay. Alright, so we are pretty messy up there. So I'll give that a good wipe and it works tomorrow. So we're saying goodbye to this. I made this probably that's when I was still living with my parents. Before Marley, so maybe 8 years ago I've made that. And never got around to finishing it. Right, as you know, at the moment they don't get power, so the power is obviously coming from the center ones, so I'll get rid of them. We'll get the power over here, we'll get the boost feed wiring over here, We're gonna have to clean up the wiring as well eventually. Won't be for this weekend. That down there will be though. I'll tuck that away. Don't want people to see that. Yeah. Oh no. One down, one to go. Alrighty. Got it out. You stay there. Alright. That's looks really weird. So this one is a 3mm jack. That goes into the engine bay, so I can get engine bay noises on my old GoPro. See if I can work something out. It just normally hides in there. Let's go get the original, or the one I got from Pick Apart the other week. So I forgot where I put it. It's in the back seat. Alright, let's install it. Wow, this is weird. Like 7, 8 years of this white gauge pod that I made in the backyard of my parents' place. So back to original. It's gonna be weird driving this tomorrow. Does anybody want that? Let me know. So I found something to put the epoxy on. Lots of little pinholes and cracks on this. I might try to fill that in up the top there. Alright, so I've sealed up that section and a bit up here. I think I've filled that screw hole there, but obviously can't do that. I tried. Wow. Wiring is so bad. This is just OBD. Using it tomorrow, but I got a lot of cleaning up to do. Which needs a bit of work. Let's go wash her. Wow, I don't think it's been this clean on the inside for many years. Let's go wash it. Much better. Alright guys, heading over to a mate's place for a movie night, have a couple of drinks. Not a late one, just going to the meet tomorrow, but just going to the garage. I'm going to take the Skyline tonight, so yeah, we'll warm up a little bit and then move it into the garage. Really need to get this blue tint off. The rear screen doesn't have it. I need to take it off for a roadworthy. I probably mentioned that a little while ago, but yeah, it's scratched up and really bad, so we'll get that off shortly, and I'll probably get a good deal on some window tint because they do it at work. So yeah, it's looking pretty clean in here, clean as it's been for a while. I might actually put the plug in here and stick the gauges in there just so people can see. If they want to have a look, they can see what it looks like instead of running that. Right, got the turbo timer on. Still smoky. I don't know if it's just stuff in the muffler like that needs to be burnt off. So I might take it for a bit of a run tonight when I get back from my mate's place when it's dark, so people can't really see the smoke. Hopefully burn it off. And if it's not that, then it's one of the turbos. Then we'll have to dive into the engine bay and see which turbo it is. I don't think I've mentioned I've got some half moons coming, some billet ones. So we'll be doing valve cover gaskets anyway. So just going to get the engine out for that.